Hi, thanks for joining me today. My name is Andrew Conley from Madison, Wisconsin, and today I'm going to set up a new project in my DAW. I'm going to be using Apple's Logic Pro 10. As you can see here, when I open Apple's Logic Pro X, it immediately asks me what kind of input I want to be using. In this case, I'm going to just be recording straight audio through the computer for the sake of simplicity here. And to do that, I'll go ahead and click Create. Once I've clicked Create, the first thing I'm going to do is go up here. I'm going to go and save my project. I want to make sure that I give my project a unique name. Um, I'll name it with today's date as well. Once I've saved my project, I can navigate to the file that I saved it in, or to the folder that I saved it in, so that I know exactly where it is on my computer. Now that I've saved my file and know where it's at, I'm going to set a couple of settings here to make sure that my project works as I expect. First, I'm going to go in here and make sure that my buffer size is set low so that I have low latency for the recording that I'm going to do. So I'll set it at 128 samples. And then I can also see here that I am set up with 24-bit recording for my bit depth as well already. Another setting I need to make sure is set appropriately is the file type that I'm going to use to record. When I'm in here on my preferences, I can go and click a WAV file to make sure that I'm not losing any data and getting a full audio file for recording. The last audio preference that I'm going to set is making sure that my sample rate is at 48,000 hertz. I go in here into my project settings and I can see that I have 48 kilohertz set as my sample rate. Now that I've set all of my audio preferences, I've named my file correctly, I know where that's saved on my computer. The next thing that I would do then is making sure that my hardware is set up so that I can record properly as well. And from there I would have everything that I need to set up before actually doing production, doing recording, doing tracking for the song that I'm going to create. So I just ran through everything that you'll need to know as part of the pre-production checklist before you start actually recording and doing production for your song. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that it was simple and clear. Yeah, and thanks for tuning in.